Hello, my name's Abby and I'm a DIY expert. Today I'm going to talk to you about combo blinds. Like the name suggests, combo blinds are a combination of a recess fit blind and a face fit blind. A recess fit blind is where the blind sits inside the window frame, while a face fit sits over the window frame. A combination of the two offers three main benefits. Firstly, using combo blinds means you'll get a neat and compact installation. While it's possible to install double roller blinds using a face fit, they can look quite bulky. If you take the option of a combined installation, the end result will give you a far more seamless finish by essentially halving the projection of your blinds. The second benefit is added functionality and control. Another benefit of combo blinds is that they give you more privacy and control over the amount of light you let into a room. For example, you can leave your recess-fitted sunscreen blind closed during the day for privacy without completely eliminating natural light, and then close your block-out roller blind at night so that you can sleep without disruptions. Lastly, a combo installation with block-out blinds as a face fit means far less light will get in. By letting the blind rest just on top of the face of the window frame, you can completely cover the window so that only a very small amount of light can enter, which will be far less than blinds with a recess fit. Combined face fit and recess fit installations allow you to have the best of both form and function. For a combined installation, you'll need to order two separate blinds: a light filtering or sunscreen blind measured for a recess fit and a blockout blind for a face fit. Now you should have all the information you need to choose your roller combos, but if not, please give DIY Blinds a call.